both ideologies. Only caste factory is involved in that. Remaining all demands are the same. So later, nowadays, Communist Party also has taken a stand and took a decision to realize that caste is a reality. Earlier we used to fight on class factor. Class factor means Varga Porat. Now we came to know, we have taken a decision. Caste cannot be ignored. Why? Because it is a reality in our Indian society. Caste is a reality. So caste means, మా లైన్ ఏంటంటే కమ్యూనిస్ట్ లైన్, ఇఫ్ వీ టేక్ అప్ క్లాస్ వర్గ పోరాటం, ఆటోమేటిక్గా వర్గాలు వస్తే when we get equality, so this ultimately when we get the society of classless means వర్గ రహిత సమాజం వస్తే there will be equality, equilibrium. Everything is equal. Every person is equal. Likewise, regarding wealth, regarding the lands and every asset, properties, they are also more or less will be equal. So that is the stand of Communist parties. Not only economical stand, even social and other cultural. Such factors are also, they are being exploited by this capitalistic society. So today another good news for us is that Madiga community has got classification. Supreme Court has given a verdict identifying their struggle for the classification. And you and me and everybody must feel happy. Why? Because of course there are subcastes in the Dalit, Mala, Madiga, like that. Even Mala community also is no way opposed to. Earlier there was little opposition. Now they came to understand. So that way the fight started long ago by different persons in different states, particularly in our AP, United AP. Now it is Telangana. This struggle was started by Mandakrishna Madiga. Only he affixed his caste to his name, Manda. So those are the days, and Madiga and Mala, those are the days the society used to feel they were untouchables. Under such circumstances, Mandakrishna daily came forward as I belong to Madiga community. Hereafter my name is Mandakrishna Madiga. Since then onwards, every person used to tag his caste to his name, Mala, Nayak, and different caste. Earlier, before that, Reddy, Chaudhary, like that. So afterwards, when this Krishna participated, Krishna took up this stand for the identity of his caste, for the classification, to fight for the classification of his caste. Now every Neta, Cheneta, his tag will be Neta, Stalin Neta. Otherwise Satyanarayana Mehta. So his caste name and పెట్టుకుంటున్నాడు ఫిక్స్డ్. అట్లా చాలా కాదు, యాదవ్, గౌడ్ అప్పుడు ఉండేది. ఇప్పుడు ఇది బికేమ్ వెరీ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్. దాస్ మహాన్. సో నవేడేస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ pride of moment for everybody. Everybody is having this mark in our name. Pride of moment, everybody. So that way, say hereafter, not now, some 20 to 25 years ago, the trend was started So no caste is inferior to any caste. There is no upper caste or lower caste. Generally, they are there, but in socio manner, in scientific manner, there is no such caste. In sentimentally also, nobody is feeling now I am inferior to some person, like that. Nobody is feeling. అందరం ఒకటే అనేది వచ్చేసి ఆ క్రమంలోనే ఆ ధైర్యంతో విత్ దట్ కరేజ్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ నేమ్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ ఎఫిక్స్డ్, బీయింగ్ టేకెన్, ఇంక్లూడెడ్ విత్ అవర్ ఒరిజినల్ నేమ్స్. సో ఆ విధంగా మీరు ఇప్పుడు మీ డిమాండ్స్ చూశాను. మీరు ఎవ్రీ కమ్యూనిటీ హ్యాస్ గాట్ ఇట్స్ ఓన్ హిస్టరీ, ఇట్స్ ఓన్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇన్ ద హిస్టరీ. మీకు సంబంధించి యువర్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సక్సీడెడ్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ రోల్స్ డ్యూరింగ్ ఓల్డెన్ డేస్. సేవియర్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్రామ భద్రత, సేఫ్టీ సేవియర్. ఆ తర్వాత అన్ని యువర్